Hello guys and welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be talking about the NASDAQ 100 futures chart. But just before I start today's video, I just want to quickly give you some information with regards to our trading platform. For those who missed our video on Tuesday, I believe it was, we have just been approved by Apple to have our trading platform listed on the App Store. So for those who haven't yet created a trading account and want to trade on our platform, then just head over to our website. The website link is in the description of today's video. It's dailymarketmovementstrading.com. That will then bring you to this page here, and at the top right you can either open a demo account or a real account, and then once you've opened that trading account, that's when you can then visit the App Store and download our trading platform, so that it's easy access. But let's get back to the NASDAQ 100. NASDAQ 100 had a horrendous day yesterday, down 3% on the day. We've crashed pretty much from that 14,500 price, and at the lows yesterday we went all the way down to 14,150. It looks to me that we are trading within this wedge, this bearish wedge, which obviously is not a very good sign, because typically speaking these wedges can head down south. So I think ultimately what we are trying to do here is kind of buy some time to perhaps be compressed within this price area, and ultimately we might see that further breakdown where we go and retest those lows down at 13,700. Now, of course, we can always break out towards the top side of this wedge. There still is a chance of that occurring, and if that did happen, that would be incredibly bullish. I think ultimately we will see a big move in either direction. Whether it's the upside or downside, your guess is as good as mine. But one thing I will say, and I've been saying it the whole week, is that this market has priced in a lot of negative news at this moment in time. There's lots of room for an upside surprise. We've got about 6 to 7 negative rates. 6 to 7 interest rate hikes that have already been priced into this market, with a massive sell-off that occurred back in January. We've got the tensions with regards to Russia and Ukraine priced in the past week or so, where we've fallen from those monthly swing highs in February. We're down about 7% from there, and the market just continues to get battered here. So NASDAQ 100 chart does not look pretty at this moment in time, as we are well below the 200-day EMA. So if we were to fall down to 13,700 to form that double bottom, I would not be surprised. But on the flip side, you could argue, if we did bounce here and we did manage to break out, that could be very encouraging, because you could just argue that the W, although it's not a perfect shaped W, as low as all the way down at 13,700. So sorry, let me draw that a little bit better. It would look a little bit more like this. It's kind of a slanted W, but if we were able to form something like that, that would be incredibly bullish, and that should send us by probably mid-year back towards those all-time highs here for the NASDAQ 100. So don't get me wrong, even if we go down to 13,700, there's always a potential that we could even trade a little bit lower, past the previous lows that we achieved in January. But even though we are still trading in this very volatile area below the 200-day EMA, and I did box it off a few days ago, that whilst we are trading within this white box, expect volatility, and that's exactly what we are getting here for the NASDAQ 100. We keep getting these wild intraday swings where we might start up 1% and finish the day down 2%, or vice versa, start the day down 1% and then end the day up 1%. So these wild swings here in the NASDAQ 100, but I am still accumulating my positions within this white box. I am buying because I think right at this moment in time, it is the golden buying opportunity in 2022. I do not see the markets getting much lower than this current point as we go into the latter stages of 2022. So this phase here, I'm accumulating lots of NASDAQ 100 positions, lots of US stocks, US equities that I believe will perform very, very well throughout the rest of 2022. And hopefully as the months continue, we will kind of phase out of this volatility stage, and we will slowly grind our way back up towards those all-time highs. And that is going to wrap it up for today's video. But just before I let you leave, I just want to quickly show you our brand new streaming service. We've recently launched this website that you can see in front of you. This is where we provide in-depth analysis videos as well as trading signals via our Telegram group chat. Once subscribed, you'll then have access to all of our in-depth analysis videos as well as access to our private Telegram group chat. We cover various markets such as commodities, US stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. We also have a video category where we provide educational content so that you can improve your trading skills. If this sounds appealing to you, then you can find our website link in the description of this YouTube video at dailymarketmovements.com. If not, then I would just like to take this time to say thank you for watching today's YouTube video. Please give my channel a subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again soon.